Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make whipped cream cake frosting. Begin by chilling bowls and beaters, then whip cold heavy cream until soft peaks form, add powdered sugar and vanilla, and continue to firm peaks without over-whipping. Stabilize with cream cheese or gelatin if you need longer hold. Spread gently over cooled cake, keeping layers light. Chill briefly before serving to set texture and freshness. Start with cold heavy cream, 35% or higher, and measure sugar precisely. Use a mixer at medium speed until soft peaks form, then add vanilla and powdered sugar gradually. For stability, fold in a bit of mascarpone or whipped stabilizer by hand, keeping airiness. Avoid overwhipping by stopping at firm peaks and testing with a spoon. Chill the frosting briefly to firm texture before decorating the cake and then serve immediately. To stabilize whipped cream, use cream cheese, mascarpone, or dissolved gelatin for longer hold without losing lightness. Add flavor extracts, citrus zest, or cocoa powder gently to avoid deflating the mixture. When folding in additions, use a rubber spatula and scoop from bottom to top to preserve volume. Adjust sweetness with powdered sugar for smooth texture. Keep the finished frosting chilled until serving to retain.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.